wanted to know if it'd be cool to have a sound kit on here. So let's try it. After some research, seeing what other people were using, I decided to try out this guy. It's really cool, but it wasn't rated for water. After I got it wet, it stopped working the way it was supposed to, naturally, as electronic things do. So I kind of gave up on the sound kit thing for a while because it's kind of expensive for what it is. And then I came across this guy. Good kit, inexpensive, but wasn't as cool as the ESS1 Plus. Cool, reliable. Then I came across this guy. So I figured, you know what? Let's try it. Let's see how cool it really is. Because I do miss having a sound kit. Very simple setup. It's got this little adapter here for direct power. So it kind of just splices in line with the battery. You've got your hookups here with a splitter, so it splits the input with the input from the ESC. You just plug this bad boy here. So what I've done to try it out is I have unplugged the motor so that I can give it input without spinning the wheels. So let's try it out. Let's see what this thing do. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. You've got a horn.
One hour later. 6.5 hours later.
I kind of like that. So there's 3 buttons on this guy. You've got your volume up, volume down. This is your menu button. So if you hold that down, it'll get into your menu mode.
Engine sound 5.
And you can cycle through the different engine sounds. So I think 5 and above is mostly diesel sounds. Because they all have that air brake release once you go to idle. They all have a hard brake. And a horn. I like that horn. So you can cycle through them, give it gas to listen, and then when you select the one that you want to keep, just hit the menu button again.
Save successfully.
And it saves it. This one, size-wise, is not the best for this particular application because I'm running the half-cab setup, but compared to the other ones, actually, compared to this one, it's a good bit bigger, length, width, height, but we gotta test how reliable it's gonna be. Sound kit. I like that. So, will the other one work? Let's try it. Okay. It's working right now. So, ESS1, in order to change sounds on this one, it came with a little USB drive, and it actually sounds amazing. And the horn works.
2 hours later.
actually has two parts. So you've got the controller separate from the actual speaker, which can be cool because I can put, for example, on Nasty, I can run the controller up front, put the speaker in the back if I was running a bed or something like that, or if I wanted to maybe convert one of the toolboxes to house this, and maybe just stick the speaker out the bottom or something. Could be cool. This one doesn't have power. This one just goes to the receiver. So this is the super inexpensive one. Fire this one up and see what it do. So we can plug it in. So this one has a controller where you can change the sound and control the volume. What do you think? So I'm gonna link all of them, and actually all three of these I think I got on eBay. Sound quality, ESS1 hands down, but this thing really surprised me for what it is, because cost wise the ESS1 is at least 25 bucks more. Is it worth that extra 25 bucks? Maybe, because I don't know how this one does with water yet, but we're definitely going to put it through its paces. I think bang for the buck, it's not bad. It's not scale, realism, audio worthy, but I like it. It's cool. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to try it, see which of these three I liked. You let me know which one you think is the coolest, and we will go from there. Appreciate you checking it out. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all of that, and we will catch you on the next episode. Until then, I'm gonna figure out what's gonna go where so I can take it out, man. I can't wait till it warms up. It's freaking cold in Georgia.